Hey people, it's Brad, and today I am going to be unboxing a special delivery. So this is the Lordhair. It's a Neo, but it's in a very special shade. So this is the Lordhair Neo in the 613. Look how gorgeous this blonde is. So this is the 613 and it comes as like an angelic blonde. So this is going to be tweaked. So this is for a client and Bespoke Systems are going to be tweaking this product. But look how gorgeous this angelic kind of white blonde is. So we are going to be doing a little root shadow and then we're going to be turning everything into a pink. So once again, this is the Neo. You can see it's got the Neo interior, the Neo hairline, which is a contour, and we've got all of the standard things that come with the Neo, like the little bit of skin behind the hairline and the skin around the edge, and then the rest is the lace in the middle. FedEx delivery, so it's great because you can always get it tracked. And this is a custom color, so you have to wait a little bit longer for this color. So normally, if you've watched my videos before, you know that I tend to buy the Champion in shade 22 and then I put a root in and bleach out the ends, whereas this one comes really sort of angelic-y blonde, so you have to do less bleaching in the initial stage to get a really nice color. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to put a root in, and then we're going to make this like this titanium rose, pink, dusty pinky tone. But look how gorgeous this blonde is. So it's an angelic kind of cheruby white blonde, which is gorgeous. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. This is a great little promotion. It's Little Hero's Hair. So if you do know someone under the age of 18 who is suffering from hair loss for any reason, get in contact with us at Bespoke Systems or me, Brad Baker, and we can refer you to Lordhair. We can even custom color the wig or the system for the child to their preferred color, whether that be sort of natural balayage or unicorn fantasy hair.